In this video, I'm going to give you a very interesting answer for a question. It's about cleaning money. Can something like corruptor do? They know these words a lot. So the question is, what does cleaning money mean? And this is the answer for the question. Cleaning money or money laundering is the process of making illegal gain it possessed, for example, dirty money, appear legal. It seems like legal the way they clean it. The money is moved around to create confusion, sometimes by wiring or transferring through numbers account. So there are so many way that corruptor or bad people, or I don't know, maybe people who doesn't have a job, she just doing cleaning money for, I don't know. So the way they clean their money is by transferring the small amount of money to so many bank account, and then from that they can send the first layer to the second layer, and after that and maybe the third layer they will send it to a new bank account. See, it's not really good things to do.
Hi, thank you so much for being part of this video. If you find this video really helpful, you got to support us by clicking on this like button and share it to your friend. And of course, you need to subscribe in this channel by clicking the subscribe button, and don't forget to click on this ring button to get notified for every video we upload on YouTube. And if you have any question or you want to just say thanks to us, just click on this comment section and you can say whatever you want and click in comment. I think that's all of it. Thank you for watching and see you again in the next tutorial. Bye bye.